Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will see how to make cold coffee. For this we need 3 tablespoons of hot water and I am adding 2 tablespoons of ground coffee to it. If you have an instant coffee, espresso coffee, you can just add it into the blender. You don't have to do this. Let it rest for 15 minutes and after that filter the coffee. Now take a blender, add 3 ice cubes, add the coffee. If you have espresso or instant coffee, just add the coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of coffee powder into it. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And blend it. Blend for 1 minute. It will be frothy and it will taste so good. You can top it with cocoa powder, chocolate chip. Thank you all for watching. See you all soon with a tasty and healthy recipe. Until then, bye from Tasty and Healthy Cooking. Bye.